probably wondering what's going on. We've just moved this jacuzzi, which is Mum and Dad's jacuzzi because they've sold it. But first it's in the workshop to get a little leak repaired, and then it's going to the new owner. Pretty random, yes. So we're in Dundee at the minute and we're actually shopping, funnily enough. But meanwhile, I just wanted to give you a quick update. So yesterday I finally started on the Black Pearl, as you've probably seen in yesterday's vlog. The Pearl has been off the road since the engine blew on Austrian Alps this May whilst driving to Venice. It's done 13 Rust to Rome trips, most of them covering around 4,000 miles. That is 52,000 miles on Rust to Rome trips alone, not including all the other trips in between Rust to Rome trips. And don't forget, that's 52,000 hard miles. Pearl has had a hard life. It's now time for a major rebuild to bring the Pearl back to life. It needs a full engine rebuild, all suspension rebuilt, and a load of welding work, plus a load of electrical work. But all of this needs to be squeezed in between organising 8 different car rallies. But it's fine, I've done this all before. So keep following my daily vlog to see the progress of the Black Pearl rebuild unfold.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye mate. Bye. See you soon mate. We're in Dundee shopping. So I found something interesting to do. Where is the Chinese? Oh there it is. Yeah, lemon chicken with fried rice. That guy's famous I believe.
Lemon chicken, fried rice.
Yeah. Dead beastie then. Plus a load of electrical work. Hi Dad. I don't know if that's, it feels quite silly just doing it on.